Today we have the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G with us. Its back panel is made of vegan leather. We will tell you everything about its display, design and specification in this video. So stay tuned. One of its key highlights that is being talked about so much is that it comes with a vegan leather finish with a saddle stitch pattern. Just have a look. It's the first vegan leather phone in the Galaxy series, and the company claims that it's the slimmest and lightest vegan leather smartphone of 2024. The phone does feel slim and is quite comfortable to hold. The right side has the power button and volume rockers, and left side has the SIM tray. The back side has the cameras and the flashlight module. Apart from this, the phone is available to you in the Apricot Crush and Raisin Black colors. We have the Apricot Crush color with us, which looks quite vibrant. The phone has a gold colored finish. If you look at the cameras, they too have a gold colored metallic frame. All in all, the phone looks quite premium. You can see there is the Samsung branding on the bottom. Let's come to its display now. The Galaxy F55 sports a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display and 120Hz refresh rate. The display looks good, which is not very surprising considering Samsung is known for the good quality of its displays. It has a peak brightness of 1000 nits, which means you will be able to comfortably use it outdoors. Talking about the cameras, it has a triple camera setup with 50MP OIS-enabled primary camera, 8MP ultra-wide camera and 2MP macro camera. For selfies, it has a 50MP front camera. You have the option of night mode, panorama, dual recording, hyperlapse, slow motion, super slow motion and more. We will tell you about how the cameras perform in a detailed review soon. The Samsung Galaxy F55 has a 5000 mAh battery and 45-watt wired charging. Despite the 5000 mAh battery, it has managed to be lightweight and comfortable. Let's talk about a few other specifications. Coming to storage, you get two options, 128GB and 256GB. For RAM, you get 8GB and 12GB option. It has a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor and 4nm chipset, so high gaming, photography or other day-to-day tasks should be easy on this. We will test this in our review and tell you soon. The smartphone is available for purchase from Samsung's official website, Flipkart and select retail stores across the country. So how did you find the new Samsung Galaxy F55 5G, especially its vegan leather finish? Do tell us in the comments and stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.